This is my cousin Adam, as we fly outside the wake on a tube behind a boat. And here's me, making an absolutely ridiculous face. But to understand how we got here, you gotta look at the big picture, and that is the Lake Trip 2022, consisting of these people over here. Let's roll the tape. Being on the lake was pretty cool, but then they did have this one thing that most people at the place didn't really figure out, but we kind of did, and that is the clown car. Yo, I'm not even gonna lie, the clown car was probably one of the best parts of the trip for me. We almost got the golf cart taken away from the property owners, and the lawn, yeah, it got pretty destroyed, but you know, it's vacation, so what else can I say? Like, how often do I get the experience of riding a roller coaster in my backyard? Exactly.
Ready, Adam? Wasn't a launch.
While the trip definitely had a lot of action, there's also no such thing as a true lake trip without chilling out and also picking some blueberries. It's an odd combo, I know, but like I said, vacation. Golly, bro, that was so boring. Like, who wants to watch it? No, I'm just playing with y'all. That was such a sweet moment of the lake trip. Anyways, I'd like to conclude this video with an absolute banger. Let's cue the final clip.
In the summer, in the summer, in the summer, in the summer.
that's it. Lick Trip 2022. It was a fun one. Y'all thought you could get away with it. No, there's bloopers, baby. There's bloopers. Cue the bloopers. Let's go.
Can we do a popsicle? It's delicious.
Safety dance! Oh, he changed my settings. They're all weird now. You did this to us.
Oh,
You guys creeping me out.
yeah, he's a creepy guy. Come on. There we go.
Antsy for ice cream. We're getting ice cream! From Ronzo. Ronzo the Clown makes the best ice cream
In town.
in Table Rock Lake.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes